Howdy, I'm going to be introducing the sword-tip squid, which is the squid we actually got to dissect within our lab. And the scientific name for these species is the Eurytheus edulis, also their common name being the sword-tip squid. Now, our friend the sword-tip squid enjoys an environment of warm tropical temperatures around the western region of the Pacific Ocean. Now, sword-tip squids' diets for adults is a variety of tropical ocean fish, and for the juveniles, they consume mostly crustaceans being those crabs, lobsters, or shrimp that we have. Basically anything that falls under the crustacean family on the taxonomy level is what they're going to tend to eat. Now, they're able to catch their prey by hunting them down and then using their tentacles to apprehend them and keep them basically within their clutch, and that helps them bring them to where their beak is, and their beak helps basically kill the animal and consume them. Now, these beaks are extremely important because they're eating crustaceans, and that beak actually helps them break into those harder exterior shells, which then allows them to actually consume the meat within that shell of the crustacean. Now, the predators for this animal are sea lions. Sea lions play a big role as their predators. And then us humans are also. We have a pretty big fishing population for them. We pretty much will go out on those boats and use those lines to catch the squids. Now, one really unique adaptation of this organism is their ability to defend themselves, and they do that by spraying a large ink cloud, which causes them to blind their predator, and that also helps to disorient them, which allows them to then get away from the predator. Now, another cool part is the fact that they're able to that they developed a shell within their interior, and that interior shell helps to give them a little bit more protection of their vital organs. Think of it as like an exoskeleton, or not even an exoskeleton, but your bones, for instance. Instead, it's just a large layer of cartilage which protects their stomachs, that ink sac that we mentioned, along with their brains as well. So those vital organs, once again. Now, they are vital to our ecosystem because they provide a unique source of food for thousands of people, along with the fact that they regulate fish populations, and they're also hunted by other predators, which means they're a food source for other animals within the ocean. Now, on the taxonomy level, they're going to be in this upper corner right over here, and they fall under the 71/95 RYA-1, and the Arthuis ducks, which we can see right over here in the Ogopacida area. I probably butchered that name, but we're going to roll with it. Right over there. Now, this is going to be my works cited page where I got all of my information from. Thank you for listening, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks, and gig 'em.